In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host videos in Kartra. We'll walk through uploading your video into Kartra and placing it on a page so it plays beautifully for your visitors. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kartra. Click the official Kartra website, then sign in to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Media Center. This is where all your hosted assets live. Choose Videos to see your video library. To add a new one, click the green plus button labeled Videos and select Upload One Video. You'll land on a details screen. Give your video a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, and select a category to keep your library organized. If you manage lots of content, consistent naming and categories will save you time down the road. Next, upload your file from your computer. Larger files can take a while to upload and process, so keep the tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep until it finishes. A stable internet connection helps speed things along. When processing is complete and the video shows as ready, click Publish. That stores the video in your Kartra library and makes it available to use on your pages. Now, let's place it on a page. Open the Page Builder and edit the page where you want the video to appear. From the Components sidebar, drag a video player into your layout and position it exactly where you want it. You'll see a placeholder on the canvas. Click the pencil icon on that placeholder to open the settings. For the source, choose Kartra Video. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the video you just uploaded. As soon as you choose it, the player will reference your hosted file. Before you close the settings, take a moment to customize the playback experience. You can enable autoplay if you want the video to start immediately, though it's best paired with mute on start to avoid surprising visitors. Sticky on scroll keeps the video visible in a small corner as people read the rest of the page, which is great for longer content. You can also adjust the player skin colors to match your brand for a cohesive look. That's all there is to it. You've uploaded a video to Kartra, published it to your library, and embedded it on a page with the player settings tuned to your needs. With this workflow, hosting and displaying videos in Kartra becomes fast, consistent, and professional.